Garlic bread. Everybody loves them, somehow few knows how they're made. Weird, right? I genuinely don't understand why they're not homemade as often as cookies and brownies. If you have a good theory, tell me in the comments. Here's how you make the garlic butter. You take a few cloves of garlic and pound it with some coarse sea salt until you have a paste. I'm using 2 cloves and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Feel free to adjust to taste. Then in goes some parsley, kinda like a pesto with different herbs and fat. Cilantro will work too, if that's what you have around. Pound until you have a paste. And in goes softened butter. If you can't plan ahead, here's a quick and easy way to soften butter in about 20 seconds. Just microwave for 5 seconds and rotate 90 degrees. Repeat 4 to 5 times. Gently pinch the butter to test if it's softened. I'm using half a stick for a sharp garlicky spread. If you prefer a milder flavor, use the whole stick. Pound it together and you're minutes away from done. Slice up any bread of your choice and slather with garlic butter. This is great for using up leftover baguette or steak rolls for a quick snack. For copycat of the commercial stuff, use a big loaf of Italian bread. Texas toast doesn't look expensive until you really think about what you just paid for, like 4 slices of bread. Not to mention the freezer space they take. Air fry on the toast setting, about 3 minutes, or until garlic is fragrant. And dig in. Easier than you thought, huh? Like and subscribe.